Greetings everyone, this is a special Patreon exclusive video. In this video I will show how to install latest Auto 1111, latest libraries and Dreamboot extension on Rampod.io pods. So let's open our Rampod account. You can also register from this link. Let's open it, login. Let's select our pod. I prefer Community Cloud. And I prefer over 20 GB VRAM having GPUs, for example RTX 3090, which is very decent, only 29 cents. Select your template from here. Make sure that you have selected Web Automatic 8.0.3. It can be higher version when you are watching this, but it still should work. You can also customize your RAM port. For example, let's make it 110 GB. Set override, continue. You can also use advanced embedding, but I don't suggest that for training because it can just turn it off if someone else overbeats you. So let's wait until the connect button appears here. Okay, connect button appeared. Let's connect to our Jupyter Lab. The installation is so easy. Just download these two scripts by clicking on them. Okay, not loaded yet. Let's refresh. By the way, if you want to share your Rampod with someone else, right click here, copy link and share that link. With that way, someone else can also connect your Jupyter Lab. Okay, still not started. Sometimes it is taking time. Sometimes some machines are also being broken and you are being need to start a new machine. Okay, it is started. The first thing we need to do is changing python relauncher.py. So I prepared this GitHub readme file because it is easier here to copy. So I copied this, go to your Jupyter Lab, go to your python relauncher.py. Here you see, just change this part, save, and restart your pod. This is only one time. You don't need to do this again and again. Let's just wait until it is getting restarted. You can refresh this page and see if it is restarted or not. Not still yet. Okay, let's try to connect again. Okay, restart has been completed. Go to your workspace folder. I am inside workspace. Upload your files. Go to downloads, select the files downloaded, upload them. Open a new terminal in here inside workspace. You see current I am inside workspace. Copy the first command, paste and hit enter. Be patient until the Auto 1111 restarts. This is the script. It deletes the VNV, it downloads the latest files, it installs the latest CUDA DLL. It is also downloading the best VIA file automatically for you. You see it is automatically installing the latest CUD and DLL files. This is significantly improving the speed. When you see this running on local URL, it means that the first part of installation has been completed. Let's open a new terminal. Let's copy the second command, paste it, hit enter. Then it will install the second part of the script and it will automatically launch the newest web UI. You see it is installing everything automatically. You don't need to do anything. The installation is completed and the web UI started. Let's connect with 3000 port. Okay, it is started. You see the Dreamboot extension is here. Moreover, we have now Torque 2.0.1 version with CUDA 11.8 and Xformers 0020. Let's check out the speed. Moreover, I also have installed automatically this VIA file, so let's also apply that. Okay, let's go to the speed, fast car. Let's make it like that. And let's see the speed. You see we are reaching over 19 IT per second with RTX 3090 GPU. This is amazing speed for this GPU. Then let's say you wanted to restart your web UI for any reason. You could have turned off your pod. You want to refresh your web UI. So copy this command, open a new terminal anywhere here, copy paste it, and it will kill the previous instance and it will restart your web UI. You see it has killed the previous instance and it is restarting again. I will also demonstrate after turning off pod and turning it on. So the web UI instance restarted. Let me also show you. I will stop this pod. By the way, if you delete the pod, then it will get permanently delete it, otherwise it won't be. I deleted this pod, then stop pod, start it again. So after you stop your pod and start it again, or after you restart it, it will automatically start a new WebUI instance, but you won't be able to see its command line arguments, its command line interface. So what we are going to do is we will kill the initially started WebUI instance and we will start it again. I will now demonstrate it after the connect button appears. Okay, connect button appeared. Let's connect to JupyterLab. You see, I already have an instance of WebUI. It is started, but I won't see what is happening. So I open a new terminal, copy the command here, paste it here. Then it will start a new instance and I will be able to see everything here. Okay, it is getting started. Okay, it is started. Let's refresh. Now we will see what is happening here. This is very useful when you are doing training, especially. Fast car, generate. And it has started and I am seeing whatever is happening, and you see it is almost reaching 20 IT per second. This is very good. 19.5 IT per second. This is all for today. I hope you have enjoyed. Please keep supporting me and ask me any questions you want. You can also leave a comment here and hopefully I will reply you back.